Hi, I am Lissy Babu. My register number is UR15CS062. Here I am going to explain my third program for networking, that is IP addressing and subnetting. For this, the question is given. Number of needed subnets is 3. Number of needed usable host is 45. Network address is 200.175.114.0. Here we have to find address class, default subnet mask, custom subnet mask, total number of subnets, total number of host address, number of usable address, number of bit borrowed. Here we are finding the address class by. We know that from 1 to 0 to 127 belongs to class A, 128 to 191 belongs to class B, 192 to 223 belongs to class C, and 224 to 192 to 223 belongs to class D. 224 to 239 belongs to class E. So here the number is 200. So it belongs to 192 to 223, that is class C. Then default subnet mask is, we know that 225.225.225.0, and custom subnet mask is 225.225.224.192/26. Then total number of subnets are 4. Total number of host address is 64. Number of usable address is 24. Number of getting total number of host address, we borrowed 2 bits to find the total number of host address. Then we have to find the three subnets. The subnet first is the subnet address mask. Subnet address is 200.175.14.0. For finding first valid host address, we have to add 1. Then we get 200.175.14.1. Then last valid host address we have to find by add 61 at 62 to this. Then we will get last host address. For finding broadcast address, we have to add 1 to it. Then again for finding subnet 2, we have to add 1 to it. Then again 1, we have to add first valid host address 1. Then for finding last valid host address, we have to add 62 to it. Then we will get 126. Then again add 1. Similarly, the process continues. This is the answer for first question. Here also same process we have to do. Here subnet needed is given is 10. Network address is 192.59.0.0. Here we know that class it belongs to class B. Why? Because 128 to 191 belongs to class B. So 172 belongs to class B. Default subnet mask is 255.255.0. Here only 2 values. So given. Then custom subnet mask is 255.255.20.0, 240.0. Total number of subnets are 16. Total number of host address is 2 power 12. Number of usable address is 2 power 12 minus 2, that is given. Number of borrowed address is 2. For being 16, we have borrowed 4 bits. Similarly, here also we have to do the same process. This is also same. We have to find for all the 10 nets. So here also same process. We have to find up to last subnet. Last subnet is 255.255. So this is the third experiment. The aim of this experiment is to finding our IP addressing a subnetting mask key. Thank you.